Hello, today I will tell about Storry. A American was working on school ship in Caribbean. He has different hours each week, so he allowed himself to perform the same act over and over again. There was only one problem. The captain parrot saw it week and began to understand how the match can get every check. Once he understood, he started shooting in the middle of every show. Look at, yes, it's not the same hat. Now he is hiding the flower under the table. Hey, where are all the cards of ace of spades? The Mexican was furious but couldn't do anything about it. After all, it was Captain Parrot. One day, the unthinkable happened. The ship has an accident and sank. The Mexican found himself on the piece of wood in the middle of the ocean with the parrot, of course. They started an ever with head, but did not utter a single word. This went for days. After a week, Parrot finally broke silence and said, "Okay, I give up." Well, you hide the boss. The story is no. You like, comment, and like.
When you wait forever for the cable car, you get angry. When you